Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. If you're having a lot of hair fall issues, hair thinning issues, dryness, frizziness issues, and do not know how to manage them, I will show you all the hair care products which I have been using from many months now, and it has worked a wonder to me. And I want you girls to try it out, and I will be showing you the products based on the hair types and the hair problems, so it'll definitely help you. So before starting the video, if you're first time to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, give a moment and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. If you're having a lot of hair fall issues, hair thinning issues, you do not have a volume in your hair, or you have an oily scalp, then definitely give a try to Naturally anti-hair fall shampoo. This has rosemary, ginseng in it, which helps a lot in controlling hair fall, and it helps in regrowth as well. So definitely give this a try, and it claims to reduce hair fall in 3 washes, and it has definitely done that to me. I have seen a lot of hair fall control after I have started using this shampoo, and it has no sulfates, no parabens whatsoever. So it is a chemical free sort of shampoo. So definitely give this a try, and you will see a considerable change or considerable reduction in your hair fall. Next product is for those who have dry hair, frizzy hair, and do not know how to control it. I would definitely suggest the Love Beauty and Planet Hydrate and Nourish range. This has Hibiscus, Pentavitin technology, and Jojoba oil in it, which will reduce the dryness of your hair and frizziness of your hair, but it will not reduce the natural oil in your hair, but it will give a better shine and better smoothness to it. Whenever I face a lot of dryness and frizziness because of pollution, or you just go out because of sun exposure, our hair gets very dried. So those days I love to use this Love Beauty and Planet range. This is the newly launched range, and I am in just love with it. I love this range. I have tried many other ranges of Love Beauty and Planet, but this I would highly recommend because this shampoo has made my hair so smooth after a single wash, and I love it. I love the way it nourishes my hair. So definitely give this a try. I love both these shampoos. This is for hair fall and oily scalp, and this is for the ones who have dry and frizzy hair. Both of these does not have sulfates or parabens, and I would highly recommend both these shampoos based on your hair problems. So yeah, definitely give this a try. Next, coming to the conditioner, if you're looking a very nice creamy conditioner, I would highly suggest the L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture. It claims for 72 hours moisture control, and I love this because I have been using this from long time now, and you can see only this much product is left out, and I have used most of it. I love to apply it on my hair length, and if you have a very oily scalp, do not go very close to your scalp because it can increase the oiliness because it has a very creamy texture. It can increase the oiliness, so you just apply it on a hair length, and it definitely makes your hair smooth and shiny and very easy to manage. That is what a conditioner does. So definitely, if you're looking for a smooth shiny hair and easy to manage, definitely give a try to the L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture. Next, for the frizzy hair, I would highly suggest the Love Beauty and Planet hair mask. Hair mask work as wonder if you want to reduce the frizziness in your hair, if you want to improve the texture. This hair mask and the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo has helped a lot in reducing the split ends in my hair. So whenever we go out, our hair gets very dried, and because of that we end up getting split ends. But this Love Beauty and Planet, this shampoo and this hair mask combo has worked has wonder to me, because both these shampoos together, when you use it, you can see a considerable change in your hair texture. Your hair starts feeling so smooth and tangle free, and I just love to keep touching my hair when I use these two combos, and I definitely highly recommend this hair mask. This works has wonder. MRP of this is 600 rupees, but I got it around 450 around. I highly recommend hair mask when it comes to improving the texture and retaining the original natural oil of your hair and not making it more dry. Definitely give this a try. If you're facing a lot of hair fall and there's no hair regrowth and you're facing a lot of patches and baldness in your hair, definitely give a try to Pilgrim hair growth serum. This hair growth serum has worked as wonder to me, okay, and I have been using this for many months now, and this is my second bottle, and I just love it. I love this, and they have introduced the Korean black rice also in this hair growth. It has Redensyl, it has Anagain, which both helps in hair fall reduction and hair regrowth. So I would highly recommend this Pilgrim hair growth serum. If you have not tried it yet, definitely give this a try. It comes in affordable price as well. So yeah, I highly recommend this hair growth serum. Next product is for those who have lot of less time and they have lot of tangles in their hair and get very less time to comb their hair after a wash. For those, I would suggest the Streaks hair serum. This is basically a serum to, entangle your hair and make it smooth and give it a shine. It has walnut oil in it, so it will give a shine to your hair as soon as you apply it. Just apply it on your hair length and comb it, and all the tangles will be detangled, and you will be free of all the tangles, and you can like around say comb your hair. So for a shiny and smooth hair, definitely give this Streaks hair serum a try. I love it, and you just need to use a drop of it, and it just works on the entire length of the hair. Yeah, just give this a try. If you are those who use lot of heating on your hair, like straightening your hair or curling your hair or just drying your hair with a hair dryer, for those I would highly suggest to use a good hair protection serum, and I would highly suggest the Streaks hair protection serum. It is very affordable and it does its job. It has jojoba oil, so it does not make your hair dry at all. It's a spray bottle, and once you spray on your hair and straighten your hair or curl your hair or style it as per your need, it doesn't make your hair dry at all. It just makes the natural hair oil in your hair just remain, and it gives a very nice shine. I have been using this for many months and it comes for a longer time. So this is also very affordable, 250 around. You just get this heat protection serum, and I'll just love it. So all these hair products have worked as wonder to me. I have been using it from many months now, and it has worked great to improve the texture of my hair and in hair fall reduction. So definitely give it a try. All the product links will be given in the description box. So let me know how you like this video in the comment section, and let me know what all kind of video you want to see more. I'll definitely try to make it, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.